Nestled in the heart of British Columbia, Canada, a magical winter wonderland eagerly anticipates your arrival. Here, lofty mountains capped with pristine snow pierce the blue heavens. Their majestic peaks are coated with a flawless white blanket. Whistler Blackcomb is more than a winter sports hub. It's the ultimate arena for snow sports enthusiasts worldwide. It promises a blend of excitement and tranquility that's unmatched. Skiing here is not merely a sport, it's a gravity-defying dance that accelerates your pulse. It's an adrenaline-charged performance on a stage of fresh snow. Meanwhile, snowboarding sessions offer tranquility amidst the rush, with the soft snow providing a serene cushion. Whistler Blackcomb is more than a destination. It's an unforgettable adventure that fills your heart with thrill and joy. As we prepare to dive into the culinary delights of Whistler Blackcomb, we'll be exploring various food options. So get ready as we continue our captivating journey through Whistler Blackcomb. Stay tuned as we seamlessly transition into the next tantalizing scene, revealing what delicacies await us. Transitioning smoothly from the thrill of the slopes, your experience in Canada isn't complete without indulging in our finest cuisine. Whistler Blackcomb, apart from its exhilarating winter sports, offers hearty poutine and sweet butter tarts. Immerse yourself in the Whistler Blackcomb as you savor the authentic tastes of Canada. Let's get practical. Please check the description below. You'll find our refined packing list with tips for this journey. To stay abreast of such practical advice and more exciting trips, ensure you click that subscribe button. We value your time and genuinely wish you an amazing winter adventure.